Okay, so now that we have our 3 pieces of material, plus we have our waistband, right? So we go through the steps in getting it out. So the waistband, again, so we remember we had 6 pieces, 6 inches in width, and then length, of course, we had 41, right? 38 our waist, and we go 3 inches extra. Now, the waistband, I want you to, if you have interface, if you know what is interface, you could iron the interface wrong sides to the rough side to the wrong side. Now, if this is your first skirt and you have no clue what is interface, you could go to the fabric store, they could explain. If not, it's not too much of a big deal. Interface is just really making the waistband more form. But if it's your first skirt, you know, you could try it out without the interface, and then you're fine. So just fold it in half, just as how I have it in half here. Make sure you fold the waistband in half like this, and you iron it, because it's a 1-piece waistband we're making. Now for your material, now you want to put right sides to right sides. So you see the big piece I have for my front of my skirt, I have right sides facing me. So this is the right side that everyone would see, and this is the wrong side. This would be the inside. So the wrong side is away from you, the right side is facing me, right? Now for my 2 pieces for the back, same thing again. This is the wrong side, this is the right side. I want the right sides touching right side, just like this, and the edge must line up. So right sides touching right sides on this end, right? And then right sides again touching right sides on the other end. See? Just like this. And of course, you could take your pin, and the pin, I just put some pin here just for you to see. You could pin it. You could put more pins if you want, or put less pins if you want, but just make sure you pin to have it aligned. Same thing here. Just take your pins, right? And of course, if you're comfortable with the machine and you don't need pins, then you could go ahead as well. But I always advise new beginners, of course, use pins. So you put pin to have it aligned, and you put pin all the way down here. All right? So once you have that, you go to your machine, and we're gonna sew 1/2 inch stitch right down here. Do your back stitch here, 1/2 inch. Do your back stitch here. Done. The other side, exact same thing, right? Make sure it's aligned. Back stitch, 1/2 inch, all the way down, back stitch, and you're done. Okay, so now the next step, I would go to the machine, and then we'll continue on.